Things you should know before starting to make money online with social media in 2024. 1. Understand your audience. Know your target audience, their interests, and behaviors to create content that resonates with them. 2. Choose the right platforms. Focus on platforms where your audience is most active, such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. 3. Content quality matters. Create high-quality, engaging, and relevant content that adds value to your audience. 4. Consistency is key. Post regularly to maintain audience engagement and attract new followers. 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and reviews to build trust and loyalty with your audience. 6. Authenticity is crucial. Be authentic and transparent in your online presence to build trust with your audience. 7. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely on a single income stream. Explore various monetization options, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling products or services. 8. Stay up to date with platform changes. Algorithms and platform changes can impact your online presence. Stay informed to adjust your strategy accordingly. 9. Build an email list. Collect email addresses from your audience to maintain a direct communication channel and promote your products or services. 10. Measure and optimize. Track your performance using analytics tools and adjust your strategy based on the data to improve results. 11. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful online presence takes time, effort, and perseverance. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or slow growth. 12. Protect your online presence. Ensure you have a strong online reputation by monitoring your online presence and responding promptly to any negative reviews or feedback. By following these guidelines, you'll be well prepared to start making money online with social media in 2024.